Did you know that the only thing that fixes rotator cuff tendinitis and tears is strengthening the tendon, but most exercises strengthen the muscle instead of the tendon? Today I'm going to show you how to target your tendons instead to fix your rotator cuff for good. Let's start with the most common rotator cuff problem, tendinitis and tears in the supraspinatus tendon. This is how you should be strengthening its tendon and a trick that you can use to double the results. Start off with the arm of your sore shoulder out to the side, bring it forward 30 degrees, turn your hand thumb up to open up space in your shoulder, and then lift it until your arm is parallel with the ground. If it hurts to go that far, just go as far as you can pain-free. Now, to strengthen the supraspinatus muscle, we would normally lift and lower your arm with a weight. But to target the actual tendon, just hold your arm very still for 30 seconds. Research now shows that this puts tension on the damaged part of the tendon, which responds by laying down collagen to heal small tears. Hold this position for 30 seconds, keeping your shoulder blades down. Rest the tendon for 2 minutes, and then repeat 2 to 4 times once a day. If it's hard or painful, lower your arm down to a more comfortable position. If it's easy, you can hold a small weight, thumb up, or provide a bit of resistance with your other hand. The secret here is to have plenty of collagen around the tendon for it to absorb as you do the exercise. Dr. Keith Barr, a tendon researcher, has shown that if you take a collagen supplement 45 to 60 minutes before the exercise, you can double the results. He recommends taking 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen with 50 milligrams of vitamin C to help absorption. This exercise can improve the pain in as little as 2 weeks, but when the pain stops, don't stop the exercise. Instead, progress onto very slow movement, moving up over 4 seconds and down over 4 seconds. Do that for 30 seconds, 2 to 4 times daily for at least 8 weeks more. A lot of people get tendinitis or tears in their infraspinatus tendon as well, so here's how to fix that. To strengthen your infraspinatus tendon, lie on your side with your head supported, press a rolled up towel into your side with your elbow, draw your shoulder blade down gently, and hold your forearm parallel to the ground with a light weight in your hand. The weight should be light enough so that you can hold the position with moderate effort for 30 seconds without pain, 2 to 4 times once a day. Again, do that 45 to 60 minutes after taking collagen and vitamin C. When the pain stops, progress onto very slow movement, moving down over 4 seconds and up over 4 seconds. You can actually do a quick, easy version of this standing with elbow pressed into your side, shoulder blade back and down, and using your other hand for resistance. If you press straight down onto your opposite shoulder and it hurts to try to pry your hand off, it means that you've got subscapularis issues as well, so here's how we fix that. All you have to do for this one is to press your hand into your stomach at the same level as your elbow with moderate pressure for 30 seconds, 2 to 4 times once a day. If this hurts, either use less pressure or press against a door frame directly in front of you. Now, the reason the rotator cuff tendons get damaged in the first place is because poor shoulder blade movement decreases space within the shoulder, and this overworks the rotator cuff muscles. Now, this is something you can correct at home with some simple exercises, so I'll leave a link below to my shoulder workshop to show you how.